Hello everyone, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix the devil in me is crashing, not launching, freezing, unexpected stuttering, black screen, low FPS drop, and all these kind of issues, even the screen tray, and how we can fix that. So let me directly get into this. So the first thing what you have to do is just follow the instruction. So first one, when you're having this is all about, you have to uncheck the administrator from the .exe file. For that, just click over here. You can usually navigate to this. We have two methods. One is navigating from Steam. Another one is going to where the game is installed. You just have to know where the game is located. So I'll show both. First, you just click on this one. Click on Properties. Go to Local Files. Click on Browse. So when you click on this, you are taken to where the game is installed. As you can see, this is the path. Now select the .exe. Now from here select the .exe. Okay, so this is the .exe. Now select this one, go for show more options, go to properties, go to compatibility, and it is very important that you have to uncheck run this program as an administrator should be unchecked. It should not be checked, it should be unchecked, and if it is checked you have to uncheck it. Once it is done, just go to Steam once again, launch the game, and most probably the issue will be completely fixed. And if it's not working, then we just have to move to the next one. Before that, I would like to make you notice that if you wanted to navigate to the game, where they install, you can do this from here itself. For that, just click on local disk C where the game is installed. Click on program file 86, scroll down and navigate to Steam. Click on Steam apps, click on common, select Dark Pictures Anthology folder. From here you can launch the game, or you can check whether they are marked as administrator. Click over here, go to properties, click on compatibility, and make sure that is unchecked. This is the first step. Moving to the next one is all about, you have to disable Steam overlay, close all overlays, applications, Discord, etc. If you go to the task manager, right click, go to task manager. Right now, as you can see, these are the things which is running in my background, and this is very necessary for me. And all the unwanted things, for example, if you scroll down, you can see all these things are unwanted things which is running in the background, which is draining out my performance. So I have to disable, you have to end the task for each of these things, especially the apps like Discord, your antiviruses, all these things run in the background every time when you open your PC. So make sure you are ending the task for each these things, because that will be improving the performance. You will not be having crashing issue, not launching issue, and this is very important. And also it is quite important as well as you have to disable the Steam overlay. For that, open the Steam, right click, go to properties, and as you can see under general, enable the Steam overlay. This is checked, so you have to uncheck this. This is very important because sometimes when you uncheck this used to help. So you have to uncheck the Steam overlay. And also it is quite important that you have to make all the close unwanted necessary things which is running in the background. You have to end the task for this. Moving to the next one is all about, you have to uncheck compatibility from .exe. Same way, select over here, go to properties, go to local files, click on browse, you will be taken to the folder. Select the application, right click, go to show more options, go to properties, click on compatibility. Now make sure if this compatibility mode is checked. Like above I said, it is very important that it should not be running in the administrator. Simultaneously, it is very important that it should not be running in the compatibility mode. So for example, Windows 8, 7, if you select this, you'll be having these options. So this should not be running in this. So make sure if it is checked, you have to uncheck it, then try to launch the game, and that will be helping you guys out. Moving to the next one is all about, you have to do is just have to delete the save game file. So you have to delete it. For that, just go to your my PC or my computer, go to documents. Most probably you'll be able to see the folder here of the devil in me, but here I have not yet played the game in this particular PC, but I played in the laptop. So here it's not been configured, so you will be getting a folder, just delete it. And moving to the next one is all about, you have to verify integrity of game file. For that, just open the Steam, right click on the game. For every game we have to follow the same instruction. Which game you wanted to verify integrity of game file, just select the respective game, right click, go to properties, click on local files, click on verify integrity of game file. So this is going to take a little bit of time. So actually this particular step is working for many of the users, and this is going to fix if any files are corrupted and if any files are misset All these kind of issues are fixed from this particular step, and this is very important and this is very vital. You should not be neglecting this. Verify integrity of game file is actually a big fix for all the issues, so that's what I'm recommending you guys. Again, you have to do this. This is quite important. Move to the next one. Let this be in the process. So we'll move to the next one. Next one is all about you have to launch the game, and if you are on the launch it in a safe mode. That is very important, but it's I'm not recommending it, but for some users this work it. And move to the next one is all about you have to allow the game to antivirus as well as Windows security. For that, just click over here, go to settings. Now from here click on privacy and security. From here click on Windows security. Now from here click on virus and threat protection. Now from here you just have to go over here, click on manage ransomware protection. Now turn this on. So we turn this off, you have to turn this on. Click on allow an app through control folder access, go for yes. Now we have to select, as you can see the evilwest.exe is being selected. Simultaneously have to do the same, add allow an app, go for recently browse all apps. Now from here should be knowing the path, so go to your my computer, click on local disk C. From here go for program file 86, scroll down and navigate to Steam. Okay, Steam, click on Steam apps. Now from here select common, select Dark Pictures Anthology, The Devil in Me, select this one and add it. So right now as you can see this has been added. This is what you have to do. So this is the basic one, and moving to the next one is all about you have to do the same for Windows security. For that you need to go for control panel, click on this, go to over here system and security, click on Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now from here as you can see you have to check whether the devil in me is quoted here. As you can see this has not been set, so devil in me is not here, so we have to add it. For that click on change settings. Now from here click on allow another app, click on browse. Now from here go to this PC, select local disk C where the game is installed, select program file 86, scroll down and go to Steam, go for Steam apps, click on common, select Dark Pictures Anthology, Devil in Me, open this. Once it is added, so just click on, as you can see the Devil in Me is here, just click on add. So here the Devil in Me is already listed, so I think it is somewhere else here. The Devil in Me is already there, so we'll move to D. Okay, the Dark Pictures Anthology Devil in Me is already added, so we should have to make sure both the private and public should be checked. So this is what you have to do. After this, try to launch the game from the Steam, and that might be working out. Moving to the next one is all about you have to put DX11, D3, D2 and DX12 in the launch option, and this worked for some users. Right click, go to properties, you can see the launch option, so give these values. I'll be giving these in the description, so don't worry. DX11, the first one, give this command, click close this, launch the game and see whether it's going to work. So if it's not working, then we just have to change the command. So change the command as D3, D2. You have to do this. Try with launch the game. If it's not working, change this command once again, that is DX12. Now launch the game, and most probably that has to be worked. And if it's not working, then we just have to move to the next one. Next one is all about you have to launch the game or run the game from the installation folder. That is what you have to do. So I'll be showing you that. So for that you just have to click over here, right click, go to properties, click on local files, click on browse. So now this is what it is. Just open the game, run as administrator, just open the game from installation folder, not from the Steam, and that might be also working. Moving to the next one is all about you have to run the game on the dedicated graphics card. For that you just go over here on the search, go for settings, okay, not settings, just go over here, search for graphics setting, click over here, and now as you can see these particular game already are added here, so you just have to add this also. Click on browse. Now from here go to this PC, click on program file 86, scroll down and navigate to Steam, click on Steam apps, click on common, click on Dark Picture Anthology, Devil in Me, add this. So now as you can see the Devil in Me is added, so just click on option. Now change this to high performance and save this. Now try to launch the game, and that will be working good. Moving to the next one is all about you have to install few things, that is Microsoft Visual C++ as well as install graphics card manually. So I'll show you that. So I'll be giving the link in the description. So here I have already given the link in one of the videos, so I'll be showing you with that particular. So over here I have given the particular link over here for, I think it is for, I have given the link for Call of Duty. Okay, so it is over here. So okay, so that has to be here, so it's not an issue. I'll check with this one. Warhammer is low FPS crashing. Okay, so over here, as you can see, I've already given the link, so I'll open this video. Okay, so you don't have to worry, I'll be giving these link in the description, but here I'm opening this from directly from here itself, so I forgot to add it. So here, as you can see, these are the links. Okay, these are the links for AMD also. Okay, so these are the link for NVIDIA as well as for AMD. I'll be giving the links for also for the both. So one is AMD, another one is NVIDIA. Okay, so you'll be having the link. So first one I'll show you with the NVIDIA. So this is NVIDIA, so we have to update the drivers. So click on drivers. So when you click on driver, that will take you to this. From here, those who are on the NVIDIA, you have to select the product type, RTX series, select everything and select the OS. So here I am on Windows 11, go for search. So what happens is you'll be getting the latest updated patch. So this is released on 11/16, so this is around 813.42 MB. So download this one. So here I have already updated it, so you just have to download it. So in the same way, I'll go for AMD drivers. So go for AMD support. So now from here I'll be giving this link, select the product type. You have to select the product type. So first graphics, if it is graphics, select this one, go for product type, select this one and go for submit. So simultaneously you'll be getting this option for Windows 11, Windows 10, select Windows 11 if it is Windows 11, if it is Windows 10, select this one, go for this one. Download the Adrenaline edition, which is around 546 MB, and just install it. And this is what you have to do. For both the case, you have to do the same. So let this pause because I have already installed this, so it is not necessary. So you have to try with updating the drivers for the AMD and NVIDIA, for which one is yours. So you have to update it and see whether it's going to fix. If it's not, just update, I mean you have to update the Microsoft Visual C++. It is very important. So I'll give that link. So Microsoft Visual C++. So just click on this one. So here, as you can see, you have to see which is yours, 86 or 64. Mine is 64. Just download and install this. So here I have already updated, so it's already in my PC, but in a case you have to download and install the .exe. Just quite common process, and you have to see. Moving to the next one is all about you have to perform a clean boot. For that, just go over here, search for system configuration, click on this one. Now from here, click on services. Over here you can see hide all Microsoft services, select this one and you have to disable it. Okay, so you have to disable it, select everything. So here I have already done with, that's why it's grading out. So you have to disable it. Once after that, you just check whether you are able to fix the issue. If it's not, we have to go for the next one. That is all about you have to increase the virtual memory. For that, just go over here, search for view advanced system setting, select this one, click on advanced, select settings, go for advanced, click on change. And right now, as you can see here, automatically manage paging files is being checked, so you have to uncheck this. Then only you will be able to select the drivers. If it is checked, you are unable to select the drivers. So I'll tell you why. Because selecting the driver, so if the game is installed on D, by default this is on C, you have to select D, but here in my case it is on C, so there is no issue. Now click on custom size. Here we have to give the value initial size and maximum size. So imagine that always initial size is 1.5 times the total RAM and maximum size is 3 times, and we have to know what is the RAM. So click on settings, go to scroll down under system, select about. Here you can see that is 8 GB. So my RAM is 8 GB, so I have to do the calculation. So I have to give the value, so I'll go for calculator. So I'll open this. Now from here I have to give the value. So minus 8 into, I have to multiply, that is 1024, that is 8192. So I have to multiply it 1.5, that is the value. So that is 12,288. So this is my value. I have to copy and paste on initial size because it is 1.5 times the total RAM. Simultaneously, for the maximum size, I have to do the first conversion, 8 into 1024. This is the total RAM into 3. So that is the value. So I have to copy this and I have to paste it. Once it's done, just click OK, then go back to the game and launch the game, and most probably that will be working. Moving to the next one is last and least one. You have to uninstall and reinstall the game. So just select the game, go for manage, uninstall the game. Then when you're trying to reinstall it back, make sure that it should not be on the local disk C. If the game is in local disk C, then you're trying to install it once again, then install it D or E. It should not be reinstall it back on C because that is going to make you even worse. So just install it on another drive, and this is what you have to do when it comes to how to fix the devil in me is crashing, not launching, many issues we are having right now, and it is nightmare for many of the users, and how we can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye.